Sensorlink Varcorders are designed to capture and record a load profile while deployed on your primary lines. The Varcorder easily attaches to the line with a standard hot stick. Once on the line, it immediately begins to collect and record information. The Varcorder can be left on the line for up to 120 days, at which time it's easily retrieved, complete with captured data. The Varcorder is now ready to download its data into your PC through Sensorlink's Softlink software. Simply position the Varcorder in front of the infrared serial port and double-click the Softlink icon on your PC. Select the download icon, and Softlink will download the data from your Varcorder. Once the data is downloaded, enter the nominal phase to ground voltage for each Varcorder, and the spreadsheet will calculate the kVars. Data from multiple Varcorders can be downloaded into the same spreadsheet. To download data from a second recorder, place that recorder in front of the infrared sensor and hit download. Follow the same steps for a third recorder. Once all your data is downloaded, you're ready to review the graphs that Softlink created to analyze your data. Click the Graph tab at the top of the toolbar, then select the graph for the Varcorder data you want to review. The graph shows the current, power factor, and kVars from the moment they were deployed until the moment they were retrieved. Individual graphs can be hidden by unchecking the amp, PF, or kVar functions in the toolbar. To zoom in on the graphed data, left-click on the mouse and drag over the portion of the graph that's to be expanded. Release the mouse button, and the new graph will appear. To return to the original graph, select the Zoom Out icon from the toolbar. To review a graph from more than one Varcorder, select New from the Graph toolbar. Select the recorders that you want to graph together, and Softlink will display the graphs. Before redeploying your recorders, you may want to change their setup parameters. To do this, select the Setup icon from the toolbar. Here you can change the name and description of the recorder. You can also set the sample interval to determine how often the recorder samples the line, and the log interval to determine how often the recorder stores the average of the samples. By selecting the Clear All Data from your instrument and synchronizing with the hour, all previously recorded data will be erased and synchronized to the hour. When this is selected for all Varcorders and they're set with the same log interval, they'll all record data at the same time. Once the Upload button is clicked, the changes are saved and your recorders are ready for redeployment. As you exit Softlink, it will prompt you to save the file. Softlink will save the data in an XLS format so it can be easily used by the Microsoft Excel program.